Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're going to dive into the world of delicious desserts and explore the secrets behind a classic red velvet cake. So, let's get started. First up, we need to gather all the necessary ingredients for our red velvet cake. Here's what you'll need: eggs, milk, butter, white icing, vanilla extract, flour, granulated sugar, buttermilk, vinegar, and red food coloring. Now, let's start by mixing together the dry ingredients, which include flour, granulated sugar, and cocoa powder. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Next, it's time to prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, making sure to mix well. Now, here's the secret to achieving that iconic red velvet cake color. Add a few drops of red food coloring. Give it a quick mix, and voila! You've got yourself a beautiful red velvet cake batter. Pour the batter into a prepared cake pan and pop it into the oven. Bake until the cake is fully cooked and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your red velvet cake is done, let it cool completely before frosting it. For the frosting, you'll need a cup of butter, a pound of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a splash of milk. Cream the butter and sugar together, then add the vanilla extract and milk. Mix until you have a smooth and creamy frosting. And there you have it, folks. A scrumptious red velvet cake that's sure to impress your friends and family. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!